except that it does make funny noises. Okay. Now, kids, in the front cover of your workbook, and kids, you'll remember I tore my book apart. In the front cover, kids, and I really don't care where, but in the front cover, guys, like maybe up here at the top and maybe a little bit down here at the bottom, kids, I want you to copy this into your notebook, into your workbook right now. Okay? If you can't see, move up so that you can see. Hopefully, kids, we've got this in the front of your notebook. So, guys, the reason that I'm going over this is because I'm going to start taking weekly grades. Okay? Now, kids, part of this new program is a lot of writing and a lot of underlining, a lot of, I wouldn't say a lot of reading, but there is certainly some reading. And so kids, you're going to start getting a little rubric like this. Kids, I have linked this into your Google Classroom, I think. If not, I will. Kids, I know that it's linked to the hallway grids, but guys, you're gonna get some points just for bringing your notebook to class. Okay, now if you want 2 points, bring your notebook to class every day and answer some questions in your workbook. But honestly, kids, if you want to go for the gold and you want the 3 points, kids, you're going to bring your notebook to class, you're going to answer your questions in it, and you're going to show evidence and thought. Understood? Understood? Okay. So kids, I'm telling you over here, kids, I'm telling you how to get the A for the week. Understood? So guys, it's kind of up to you. All right. Now, kids, if you want to put this, if you want to print this off and put this in the front of your notebook, your workbook, kids, I think that would be a wonderful idea. Kids, I can even print this here at school and you could just tape it in. How many of you are interested in having this in the front of your notebook? Okay. So kids, I will just get some copies of this made and I will put them over in the stackable. Okay. And they'll be there, well, later today or tomorrow. Okay. But definitely tomorrow. All right. Now, kids, the next thing that I want to go over with you is in your Amplify. Kids, I have sent to you lesson 1.2. And when it comes up, kids, this might be all that you see. Okay? But kids, I want you to scroll down. First of all, kids, there are 5 activities in lesson 1.2, which is your assignment for this week. Kids, we're going to do the warm-up activity very shortly. Kids, there is a video. I'm going to show that to you. Kids, taking pictures of the moon. It says a teacher-led discussion. And kids, I can do that. That might not happen until tomorrow, but we can do that. Kids, there is a sim activity. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a homework page. And kids, number 5, a family homework experience. Guys, if you want, You don't have to do this. Although I think it would be fun, but it's also very, very cold out right now. So kids, if you just want to do 1 through 4, I'm totally good with that. Now, kids, let's talk about how to go into SIM. You remember up here, kids, the Amplify hamburger? Alexander, you with me? Okay, the Amplify hamburger. Kids, that's where our tools are at. Kids, we're going to scroll down here to Earth, Moon, and Sun SIM. And this is where we're going to explore with our SIM. And kids, what I learned last week is that this program works best if you use Google Chrome. Not Firefox, not Safari, but Google Chrome. And so some of you kids are saying, well, I don't have Google Chrome on my computer. Yes, you do. Guys, so when you open your computer, kids go into Finder, into Applications, and find Google Chrome and go in through there. Are you with me? So I know that your computer's one of them, because I was fighting with that last week. Okay. Alex, you with me? Okay. Bless you. All right. Now, kids, I think the only thing we have left to do is watch the video and assign the lessons, do our warm up. Okay. But kids, right now, I want to get out of recording. How do I do that? That's not what I want. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. Ah, there we go. Okay. Stop